Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 3. Topic name is atomicity of an element. Atomicity is defined as the number of atom present in the molecule of an element. Number of atom present in the molecule of an element. Here four type of molecule is there. In atomicity we can divide four type of molecule. One is monoatomic molecules and second one is diatomic molecules and third one is triatomic molecules and fourth one is polyatomic molecules. First one is monoatomic molecules and second one is diatomic molecules, third one is triatomic molecules and fourth one is polyatomic molecules. We already know mono means one valent, okay, only one. Di means two, tri means three, poly means more than three, okay, more than three or more, okay, three or more. Okay, here monoatomic means, what is atomicity? Atomicity is defined as number of atom present in a molecule. Monoatomic means in this type of monoatomic only one atom present in the element, only one atom present in the element. For example, noble gases. We know the noble gases. What? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, these are examples of noble gases. These are noble gases. Okay, this noble gases valence is these noble gases are contain only one atom. Okay, the noble gases are contain only one atom. These are example of monoatomic molecules. Okay, next one is diatomic molecules. This here monoatomic means it contain this, the elements are contain only one atom. Diatomic means it contain how many atoms? Two atoms. It contain two atoms in the molecule. Okay, for example, oxygen, chlorine, etc. Oxygen, chlorine, etc. Here O2 means how many atom is there? Two atom. Okay, here two chlorine atom is there. Okay, next one is triatomic molecules. Next one is triatomic molecules. Monoatomic, it contain only one atom. Diatomic, it contain two atom. Triatomic molecules means it contain three atom of one molecule. Okay, it contain three atom. Okay, it contain three atom. For example, ozone O3. Okay, here how many oxygen atom is there? Three oxygen atom. What is atomicity? It contain atom. Okay, here how many oxygen atom is there? Three atoms. So it is example of triatomic molecules. Then last one is polyatomic molecules. Last one is polyatomic molecules. I already told now. Mono means only one atom, di two, tri three, poly means three or more than atom. Three or more than atom present in a molecule. Okay, for example, phosphorus P4. Here how many phosphorus atom is there? 4 atom. Okay, then S8. Here how many sulfur atom is there? 8. Okay, these are example of polyatomic molecules. Okay, now it is over. Monoatomic means it contains only one atom of one molecule. Example, helium, noble gases. Okay, diatomic means it contains two atoms. Example, oxygen, chlorine, etc. Then triatomic molecules, it contains 3 atoms. For example, ozone. Then fourth one is polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules means it contains more than 3 atoms. For example, P4 phosphorus, S8 sulfur. Okay, because here 4 atom of phosphorus is there, here 8 atom of sulfur is there. These are example of polyatomic molecule. Chemical formula of compound. Chemical formula of compound. Symbolic representation of a compound is called chemical formula or molecular formula. Example, see, one atom of sodium, it combined with one atom of chlorine. One atom of sodium, it combined with one atom of chlorine. Then what is the product? One atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. Okay, product is sodium chloride. Okay, here how many atom of sodium is there? 1. How many atom of chlorine is there? 1. Okay, then another one, here HCl. Here HCl, what is this? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid's molecular formula or chemical formula is HCl. This one sodium chloride or common salt. This one sodium chloride or common salt. Common salt chemical formula is NaCl. Okay, here HCl, how many hydrogen atom is there? 1 hydrogen atom. How many chlorine atom is there? 1 chlorine atom. The next one is magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride, here magnesium chloride's chemical formula is MgCl2. MgCl2. Here how many number of magnesium atom is there? 1. And how many atom of chlorine is there? 2. Okay. This is magnesium chloride chemical formula. Then next one is now I write some elements name. You can find out the constituting elements. Some compounds name. Okay, for example, water, sodium bicarbonate, then HNO3 nitric acid, glucose C6H12O6. Okay, C6H12O6. What is the name? Water. Water's chemical formula is H2O. Then this one, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda's chemical formula is NaHCO3. NaHCO3. Nitric acid. Nitric acid chemical formula is HNO3. Then glucose. Glucose chemical formula is C6H12O6. Okay. See this one formula. Now we find out the constituting elements. See here, in water chemical formula is H2O. Here what are the constituting elements in this water molecule? What are the water formula is H2O. Here what are the constituting elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. Here in this place, constituting elements place, we wrote hydrogen and oxygen. Same that. Next one. Baking soda, compound name is baking soda. Baking soda's chemical formula is NaHCO3. Okay. Here which one, what are constituting elements? Yes, first one sodium. Na means sodium. H hydrogen. Then C carbon. Then O oxygen. In this baking soda, constituting elements are sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Then nitric acid, its chemical formula is HNO3. Constituting elements, what are constituting elements? Hydrogen, then nitrogen, next one oxygen. See here, glucose. Glucose chemical formula is C6H12O6. So what are the constituting elements? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. See, listen. Here how many sodium atom is there? Only one. How many hydrogen atom? One hydrogen atom. How many carbon atom? One carbon atom. How many oxygen atom is there? 3 oxygen atoms. So that here we wrote 3. Okay, here how many hydrogen atom? 1 hydrogen atom. How many nitrogen? 1 nitrogen. Oxygen atom? 3 oxygen atom. See here, here carbon have how many carbon atom is there? 6 carbon atom is there. So that we mention this downside 6. So that here we mention 6. Here how many hydrogen atom is there? 12 hydrogen atom is there. So that here we wrote 12. How many oxygen atom? 6 oxygen atom. Okay. Now this topic is over. Next topic is significance of formula. Significance of formula means what are the importance of formula. First one, it represents the name of the compound. It represents the name of the compound. We can identify which type of compound. Then second one, it represents the name of the molecule. It represents the name of the molecule. And third one, it represents how many atoms are present, which atoms, and how many number of atoms are present. We can identify from the molecular formula. For example, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Here I wrote the carbon dioxide. Now we know the formula of carbon dioxide. Okay, we know the formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. CO2, it is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Okay, here how many carbon, here which atoms are present? Carbon atom and oxygen atom. Carbon atom and oxygen atom. Here how many carbon atom is there? 1 carbon atom is there. How many oxygen atom is there? 2 oxygen atom is there. Then another one example, silver chloride. AgCl. Here we know what is the formula of what is the molecular formula of silver chloride? AgCl. Here how which type of atoms are present? One more example, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, what is the formula of calcium hydroxide? CaOH twice. CaOH twice. It is molecular formula of calcium hydroxide. Here which type of atoms are present? Calcium, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, how many atoms of calcium is there? Only one calcium atom is there. Here how many atom of oxygen? 2 oxygen. Why? So here 2 number of oxygen atom and 2 number of hydrogen atom is there, so that we use this twice. So that we use this bracket. Okay, suppose only one, for example, calcium chloride, CaCl2. Here calcium chloride. Okay, here only chlorine only have 2 number of atom, but here oxygen also 2 number of atom, then hydrogen also present number of 2 atom. Okay students, significance of formula is over. Next topic is oxides and sulfides of divalent elements. Oxides and sulfides of divalent element. Now here I wrote the divalent metals. Okay, iron, calcium, copper, mercury, zinc, magnesium, lead. See, listen: iron, calcium, copper, mercury, zinc, magnesium, lead. Okay, these metals have divalency. Okay, divalent. Okay, if the metals are react with oxygen, it produce metal oxide. Okay, this type of metals react with oxygen, it produce metal oxide. So here oxygen also non-metallic divalent element, O2. In atomicity we learn about oxygen now. It is an example of divalent diatomic molecules. Okay, now we see the examples. When the iron is react with oxygen, it gives iron oxide. When the calcium react with oxygen, it gives calcium oxide. Okay, same. Copper react with oxygen, it gives copper oxide. Then mercuric oxide, zinc oxide, magnesium oxide, lead oxide. Okay, same that if the same metal, same divalent metal react with the sulfur, it produce sulfides. The divalent metals react with oxygen, it produce metallic oxide. The same divalent metals is react with the sulfur, it produce it produce sulfides, metallic sulfides. For example, iron react with the sulfur, it produce iron sulfide. Copper react with the sulfur, it produce copper sulfide. Then magnesium react with the sulfur, it produce magnesium sulfide. Okay, see, these all are metals, so that it react with oxygen, it produces metallic oxides. If suppose the metals is react with the sulfur, it name is metallic sulfides. Okay, metals react with oxygen, it produce metal oxides. That means divalent metal. Divalent metal react with oxygen, it produce metal oxide. Divalent metal react with the sulfur, it produce metallic sulfides. Okay students, I hope you all are understand. Thank you.